Hi friends, I'm really excited today because I am making Greek garlic lemon chicken pita. Yes, that is quite a mouthful actually. It's a delicious mouthful, trust me. But I have these really great techniques that I want to show you by using my Panasonic 4-in-1 microwave. So I'm going to start off by marinating my chicken, and while I'm doing this, let me tell you why this recipe is exciting, because I think it's really cool. One, we're going to use the air fryer mode in the microwave to make crunchy pita crisps. Once you taste these guys and hear that crunch, you're going to be just as excited as I am. And the other thing I'm going to do is actually grill my chicken in the microwave using the grill function as well. So I think one of the things that I love about my Panasonic appliances, particularly ones like this 4-in-1 microwave, is that there's so much technology built into the one appliance. We're grilling, we can be roasting or baking, we can be air frying, we can also be microwaving, all in the one appliance. So that's what I love about this one, and I'm really in love with that air fryer mode. Now back to the chicken, let's get this marinade going. I have some oregano, some thyme, and sumac. So this is a spice that has a really beautiful, bright, lemony flavor. If you can't get a hold of it, you can leave it out. We are putting lemon in too. A little bit of white pepper, some mustard powder, garlic, parsley, some salt, and olive oil. Just at the end here, I'm gonna pop in some lemon zest. I'm just gonna let that chicken make friends with the ingredients in there while we make our pita croutons. Start my pita bread. Okay, so I've got some olive oil here, some parmesan, garlic, and some salt. Now I'm making these pita bread crisps as sort of like a crunchy crouton element for my pita bread wrap later on, but as you'll see when we cook them, they make the most delightful, just like crispy chips that you could serve with a dip or anything like that. I get really excited about these. I love them. Okay, I'm gonna spread out my mixture onto pita bread. Now cut this into nice little crisps or chip kind of shapes. And then I've got my air fryer basket. This comes with the microwave. Start placing my chips on there. I just think it's so handy to have an appliance that has multiple functions. Not only are you saving space in your kitchen, but you also are getting basically an extra oven. So you're not just getting a microwave, you're getting an extra oven, an extra grill, and in this case, an air fryer mode too. This can go in, and I just need 8 minutes here. So now I'm gonna do my garlic sauce. Just need some Greek yogurt. Those garlic chips smell so good already. Garlic and salt. And you can hear how crunchy they are. Look how golden and beautiful they look. Oh, I love it. So crisp. And like, you could just serve them like this. Just dip it in some garlic sauce or tzatziki. Honestly, we could stop right there. Excellent. I'm gonna use those for like a crunchy element in my pita breads later on. Let's grill our chicken next. All right, so I've got my chicken skewers, and you'll notice they're very chunky. Now, I like to do that because then my chicken stays nice and juicy. The problem though is that if you're doing this on a stovetop, the outside can burn before the inside is cooked. So I'm going to show you how I use my microwave to kind of help that situation. So if I use my grill microwave function, it's a combination function. The grill will cook the outside while the microwave helps to cook the inside. Everything happens quicker, your chicken is cooked through, and the outside is not burnt. It's a miracle. No, it is really cool. So the chicken goes on here. The raised grill here means we're getting lots of airflow around the chicken, helping it to cook more evenly as well. Okay, now this needs to go in. So to use the combination mode, I just select this one here, and I want combination 1, so that is grill and microwave. My chicken skewers are looking so amazing, and I love that I don't have to worry about whether they're cooked through or not. I know that they're perfectly cooked. Just gonna heat up my pita bread. So I'm gonna start building my pita wraps now. I have some lovely fresh vegetables and salad ingredients. This really can be a choose your own adventure kind of situation. I love the freshness. Chicken. Oh, look at those juicy pieces of chicken. So good. Tomato, onion, feta cheese, and my crunchy element here, pita croutons and garlic sauce. And that, my friends, is my Greek garlic lemon chicken pita. Can I eat this now? Looks so good. The crunch, the textures, that chicken is amazing. Yay! Oh, what a happy dish.